Like this video and subscribe, or this will be in your room tonight. Literally, all you have to do is just like the video.
Stop. Those intros going around YouTube are fucking cancer. Like the video because you like it, not because of some cancer intro.
Yo, what it do, guys? In this video I'm going to be breaking down how much revenue I was able to make off of 100,000 monetized playbacks on YouTube. Now I'm going to be showing my personal earnings, and I'm going to be giving you guys advice on how to increase the amount of revenue that you can make. But before we get right into it, make sure to note, guys, I am a gaming channel, so the revenue I make is way less than if I created daily vlogs or if I created interview content or news content or any kind of content that YouTube deems more suitable for advertisers and is way less saturated than gaming, because there is so much gaming content out there. You know, YouTube has lowered the CPM for gaming as a category overall over the years. So let's get into my personal revenue real quick, guys. Alright, so right here, guys, you can see that I have 357,829,000 watch time minutes for 100,982 views. That's not too bad. It's like 3.5 times that, even though, you know, my average view duration is fairly low overall at only being 2 minutes and 19 seconds. But my estimated revenue is $417.82 for 100,982 monetized playbacks, which means my CPM isn't too bad. It's around like 4.1 or something like that. And you can see the extra stats down below. My likes is 5,392, my dislikes 413, my comments are still fairly low at 174, my shares are 76, and videos in playlists, which means like people putting it into watched later and into their favorites playlist, is 245, and I have gained 2,105 subscribers from a particular video, which was, I believe, the Minty Pickaxe combinations, which got like almost 100,000 views as of now. So that's fairly good. I want to thank you guys for all that support. Now let's break down what determines me getting this amount of revenue and how you can maximize your revenue on YouTube. So honestly, the biggest advice is to find a niche on YouTube, which will probably take a long time, like way longer than you expect. But if you're able to find a niche and if you're able to upload consistently, then you can probably increase your CPM, because having ads appear on your videos and making sure you get an audience that does not use ad block are really, really important when it comes to maximizing revenue, and also, of course, being able to keep your audience for a longer watch time so that they do see more ads and click on more ads is very important. So if you want to do all these things, make sure to not make gaming content. Like, as I said, daily vlogs or comedy and things like that are way better for getting ads, and they can help you to maximize your revenue if you are able to, again, gain your own fan base. Like people like Roberto Blake, who made educational content on the platform on how to earn more money and how to get more views. They have CPMs that are like 20 or 21, meaning they can earn a couple $1,000s off of a video with 50,000 views if, you know, that video has a extremely high watch time. Like you might put out a 20-minute video and it'll get 50,000 views, and his average watch time might be like 11 minutes for that video. So yeah, honestly, the best advice I can give you guys is to not make gaming content, because it pays pretty low. As you can see right here, for just over 100,000 monetized playbacks, I only earned 417 USD, which is still fairly good, but it is way lower than many other content creators will get for making educational content or videos like that. So you can see here that I'm barely getting paid for smaller videos, like videos where I get a couple thousand views, even though they might be 8 or 10 minutes, I am barely getting paid for those. You can see it's only a matter of a few US dollars. So videos with only a few thousand views that are gaming videos barely generate revenue, and that's really sad because for other categories on YouTube, like if you made vlogs, as I said, it's probably going to generate like 3 times this revenue for 1,000 views. So it is very upsetting to see that because gaming is so saturated, you know, it barely does pay for smaller videos. But I'm still going to be uploading a lot more small videos, and I don't care how much views they get. I just care about the quality of my content. So anyways guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button and comment down below telling me your experience on YouTube and you know how you want to maximize your revenue, because it is very hard to get a audience nowadays, and it's going to be even harder in the near future to establish a fan base when the gaming community is already so saturated. Alright, peace out guys.
Bro, I'm getting 2v1 of it. Fucking! He's so weak. No! Why shit doesn't place? Bro, Dark just W keys presses M1. Come here, come here, come here. Why is it loot everywhere? What the fuck, bro? Let's go. You didn't even hit Andy. You're not Andy, wait, what? Can. Bitch. Like that? Nope. Fuck you, dog. Come on. Wait, what the fuck? You're right there. What is this? What is this? He's like pickaxeable. Just pickaxe. Pickaxe. Okay, never mind. Heal up.
Oh, here we go.
I haven't played it 2 times. I sound like Dark. Yeah, I know.
Fucking get infected.
Wait, what the f- I hate the fuck. Yeah, I'll get it. No, I can't jump!
What the heck?
Bro, I'm trying to edit. It doesn't fucking work.
Oh fuck. Fuck!
As if you take that first try and hit my Bro, he can sit all. Wait, my shit's not reloaded. Oh my god. Yo, dog, take off your W key, yeah?